Yeah, can you hear me? Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so what will be our topic for today? Okay, I will choose the topic. Oh, about music. What do you want to talk about? Okay, let us talk about coffee shop. Oh,
I don't know. You will choose. You choose.
I will choose coffee shop. Okay, so let us talk about food or anything. Okay, so my cousin is trying to open a new coffee shop now, just today.
Uh-huh.
Mm. Okay, so they have their coffee shop's name. Okay, it's actually, I don't know, it is Dip and Sip. I don't know, um, okay, I don't know, in your country, in your country, do you have milk tea?
What?
Do you have milk tea?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your favorite milk tea?
No, it's milk tea.
Milk
Just
tea.
milk tea.
Yeah, just milk tea. What is your favorite milk tea?
Mm, wait, wait.
Okay, what is your favorite milk tea?
Um,
Okay, you have matcha?
yes, matcha and my favorite is traditional milk
What's
tea.
traditional? Ate, you want the traditional. Okay, you have I tasted like this. Okay, this one. I will show you the traditional mojito. I don't know if you tried this. Have you seen this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this one. Okay, this one. I will share to you, Niha. Look at this one. Okay. So I don't know if you tasted mojito drink. It's like this one. Okay, can you see this?
Wait. Yes. Okay. Dim, dim
Okay,
sum.
this is the coffee shop of my cousin. This is my
Oh.
cousin, the one wearing Mickey Mouse.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that one. Oh, you know their waffle is very, very yummy.
Oh.
Oh, like that. Do you have this?
Very nice.
Ah, what is it again? Niye? It is.
So what's the chat? What is talk about?
Okay, so this one. I don't know this one. I want to taste it, but I haven't tasted it yet. Okay, so mojito is like a refreshing drink. It's like this one. Start dipping. Okay, today is their grand opening day. That's why we went there with Jillian and we eat.
Oh,
We eat. Yeah. So actually, this one. Today is another day. Okay. So what is your favorite milk tea? Only matcha? Sometimes me, I don't like matcha eh. You know why?
change.
This
No,
is my,
no.
you like mac? Oh, this not like mojito, blue. Okay, this one. I tasted this Blue Ocean Mojito. This one. This is Blue Ocean Mojito. Okay, this is the one that I like. It's just like Sprite. Okay, this one. Blue Ocean Mojito.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Blue Ocean Mojito. Okay, so that's my favorite drink. Milk tea. I want to taste matcha, but sometimes for me, I don't feel it. It's very, very delicious. I
But
love chocolate. I really love chocolate.
however,
How about you?
sure.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, why?
I like traditional milk tea.
What is it the traditional milk tea looks like?
Mm. Can I share the screen?
Okay, yeah. You want to share? Wait, I forgot how to. I will stop sharing. I will let you share.
Okay.
Multiple participants. How does it looks like or it tastes like?
I will show you the picture, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh God. Hmm. It's like that, teacher.
Wait. This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you show me now. It's just like there's a pearl. There's a pearl. We have like that. There's like how this
Yeah.
it's like it's mocha.
Hmm?
It's like mocha.
No, it's milk tea.
Oh,
It's just a milk tea,
it's
teacher.
just like milk tea.
Yeah, it's like that.
Traditional milk tea. Okay, it's just like milk tea. But I
Yeah.
love milk tea, but I don't really love the tea. Okay, because mostly I know Vietnamese love tea, right? When you have visitors, I can see that you always offer tea. In my country, when we have visitors, we usually offer juice. Yeah, we usually offer juice or coffee, not tea.
Oh,
Yeah, it's really different. Okay. So we usually offer tea, not juice. We usually offer juice, not tea in my country. Oh, I know it's different in Korean, Vietnamese, and Japanese. Okay, you have different. Okay. So what else we're going to talk about? You tell me, you share me your menu, or you share me everything you want to share.
But
I already share my lechon.
what will we talk?
Your lechon. Oh, I already share my... Okay, let us talk about education in Vietnam. Let us talk about education in Vietnam. How many students are there in the class? Oh, what are
Okay.
the attitude of the students? Are the students very good, or are the students disrespectful? Okay. Are the
Mm,
students disrespectful or very good? How about the teachers in Vietnam? Do you have foreign
The
teachers or
student,
all Vietnamese?
the student in my school is very friendly,
Oh,
mm, very friendly, and then I think it's kind,
mhm. What is the name
kind,
of your school now, Ni? You have new school, right?
and huh?
You have new school, new school,
New school?
new school. You have new school, right?
Mm,
New school.
lower secondary school.
The new school. What is your new school? New. This
New,
one. Yeah.
my new school?
Yes.
No, I don't have my new school.
You will not transfer the same school?
Mm, my primary school is uh,
Primary.
primary school is grade 1 to grade 5, and lower secondary school is grade 6 to grade 9. Okay?
Mm, okay. But your brother will go into another school,
Yeah, in Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh City. Oh, yeah, I understand. Okay. So, what is the education in Vietnam? What is the education in Vietnam? How many subjects do you teach? You are class 5, right? Class 5. How many
Yeah.
subjects are there in the class 5?
Um, I don't know, but let me check. Math, literature, literature, science, PE, IT, IT, art, music, art, music, okay, six, five, 7 subjects.
Okay. So we have here.
But teacher,
Yes.
but in classic, we have biology and physics.
Oh, class 6? You are class 6 this year, right?
No, I'm in
Class
class
5.
5.
Yeah,
Class
next
5.
year, next school year, class 6. Oh,
Okay, yeah.
you will be next school year, you will be class 6. You have biology. What are your subjects, Ni? What are your subjects? Science, Filipino, or what else?
No, it's just
No,
it's just
English.
English, English, math, literature, biology, geography, history, physics,
Mm.
science, IT, art, PE, music.
Ours in
Um,
grade in 6 we have here. Wait me. Like we have, we have arts, music, or subjects. Music, arts, physical education, health, and science, language, reading, civics, that's geography, Filipino, Christian living. Okay, health. Okay, computer. Yours is IT. Ours is computer. Okay, those are our subjects. For the grade 6, grade 6.
we have literature, to basics. This is biology, English, music, writing, Okay, teacher.
You have math, literature, history, geography, science, physics, biology, English, music, art, IT, Japanese. We're just the same. But your science is many. Okay, you
Yes.
have many. Okay, so you have many subjects than ours. Okay, like what time you will go to school?
In classic?
Yeah, in class 6.
No, I don't know. I think 6:45. 6:45 will
6:45? Very early?
yeah
6:45,
6:45.
yeah?
Yeah, I think 6:45 we'll start our lesson.
And
I
then
think.
until what time?
Huh?
What time?
What time?
6:45 until
And
6:45 until 5 p.m. 5 p.m.
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So in
Yeah,
my country,
I think 5 p.m.
my country is 7:45 to 3:45. Okay, very short.
Oh,
Okay. So like, how many teachers do you have inside the classroom?
I don't know.
In class 5, during class 5, class 5.
At class 5, I don't know because a lot of people.
Okay, in class 5, how many? How many do you have?
I don't know because it's a lot of people.
A lot of people inside in the classroom? You only have how many
No,
teachers do you have?
in our school.
No. The one that will go to your classroom, the one that will gonna go inside your classroom. How many teachers do you have? Like one in English or one in Filipino, like that. How
Oh,
many?
okay. one teacher will teach us. Teachers is math, literature, history, geography, science, physics, biology, and one will teach English, one will teach music, one will teach art, one will teach IT, and one will teach PE.
Okay. So there are only few.
But in classics we will different. And because it's one math, one literature, one history.
In classic, one math, one literature, one history.
Yeah, one people teach, because in class 1 to class 5, we just have one teacher to teach math, literature, history, and teach. I think it's all of our subjects.
Okay, yes, I understand.
Except English, music, art, ITP.
Okay, I understand. Yes, I understand. Okay. So, but in my country, every subject has different teacher. Example, you have 8 subjects. Example, you have 8 subjects. Like, most likely, you have 6 teachers. If you have 8 subjects, you have 6 teachers. That's it in my country. In my country, yes. Okay. But in my country, we also have public and private schools. In the Philippines, we have public schools. Okay, look at ha. Okay. It's really different here. Okay, this is the okay, public, look at the way it, ha. Public school versus private school in the Philippines. Okay, look at this one. So, you can see if you are in the Philippines, we have 2. Okay, so like this. In my country, public school versus private schools, like this. Okay, so I don't know in your country if you have like this. But in my country, we have like this. We have private schools, we have
Do
public
you think you got the best start in life?
But I guess
Did you end up in a school that might have resembled a zoo more than it felt like an
Oh.
institution of higher learning? Perhaps in the past, that could have been a different matter, but many great minds have not been too keen on school. One of those
with this one.
Di pa, alam niyo na to. Hi guys and welcome back to 60 Seconds, kung saan may 60 seconds ang bawat isa sa atin para magbigay ng kanya-kanya nating opinion tungkol sa isang issue na
Which should you?
Hi,
which
my
one
name
is
is
better
Sarah.
for your children?
I'm a public school advocate. I believe that public schools offer the best education for students of all backgrounds and abilities. I'm excited to discuss this topic with you today.
Hi, I'm John. I believe that private schools provide a unique and valuable education for students and can better prepare them for their future careers. I'm looking forward to exploring this topic with you today.
I strongly believe that public schools are better than private schools. Firstly, public schools are more affordable and accessible to a wider range of students. Students from all backgrounds can attend public schools without worrying about the cost of tuition fees or other expenses that private schools may have.
While I agree that cost can be a barrier for some students, I believe that private schools offer unique advantages that outweigh the cost. For instance, private schools tend to have smaller class sizes, which allows for more individualized attention and support from teachers.
I can see how smaller class sizes can be beneficial, but I think public schools have a more diverse learning environment. Students from different backgrounds and socioeconomic statuses attend public schools, creating a rich and varied classroom experience. In contrast, private schools tend to attract a more homogeneous student population, which can limit the exposure and understanding of different perspectives.
I understand your point about diversity, but private schools often have a more rigorous academic program with a greater focus on college preparation and advanced coursework. This can prepare students better for college and help them succeed in their future careers.
I see your point about academics, but I still think that public schools have better resources and facilities. Since public schools are funded by the government, they have access to more resources, such as advanced technology, experienced teachers, and extracurricular activities that promote personal growth and development. But private schools may have limited resources and may not offer as many opportunities to students.
Okay, how about you in your country? How about the books? Will you gonna buy or borrow?
What?
Will you gonna buy or borrow?
What buy or
The
borrow?
books.
In my school?
Yeah, in your school.
In library, we can read books or we can borrow. But
No.
but
What you're using inside the classroom?
inside my classroom, I use book.
Okay, you use books. So,
But in class 1 to class 4 I buy. But in class 5 I study like old book.
you buy the book? Oh, you buy the book, eh? You buy the book?
Yeah.
Ah.
In class 1 to class 4. But in class 5 I just study old book.
Okay. In my
And-
country, are you studying in a public school or private school in Vietnam?
Public school.
But in my country, it's different. When you will be private schools, okay, you can buy books, you can have your books. But if you are public school, you will only borrow. You cannot have your own book. You will only borrow. Yes, that's difference ni. Okay, that's really difference. So that's why there are many support and against which is better, public school or private school, like that. Yes. Okay, like this. Oh, I don't know if you will gonna private schools. Okay, this one. Look at this video. In my country, like this. I don't know the classroom. The classroom mostly in the public school is different from the private school. How about you? How many students inside the class?
Overseas, in other
In my class,
really
Yes.
want to improve your listening.
42.
He's
Oh!
just talking about, well, firstly,
Really?
and they
Yeah.
they possibly can to have
How about the other section?
at the same time.
What?
Like how
So
many
we
sections do you have in one
You know,
class?
more than
Example,
$100,000.
class 5, there are
to,
three
private
sessions.
schools.
And you got
For 6
bugger
years.
all.
Three
and
sections.
Spend $2,000
Like
to
section
send
1,
your sister
section
to
2,
a
section
public
3.
school for
3
6
rooms
years.
for class 5
So you
only.
spend 50 grand on each.
Sessions.
Have to get up at 6
Ah,
a.m. again and go and play
section
soccer at
here.
some,
Yeah.
even richer school in Melbourne that's like 2 hours each way, and I really just
Section. Section.
there's a sort of nice laptops. We got to go on school trips that you paid for to places
Yes,
like France.
France.
Section.
That now just seems ridiculous.
I don't know because I can
So this
I
sort of
can remember. I forgot.
Noah, you were going to the
Okay, so but there are in my country like class 5. We have section 1, section 2, section 3. If you are smart, you will be in section 1. If you are not smart, you will be in section 7,
There's
like
an
that.
expectation
It's in my
Oh, I
country.
don't know this.
school
It's different.
to meet that standard.
It's
Yeah.
not like this.
So, and
Yeah.
yes, you went to France for 3
Ah.
weeks.
Oh, this is in my country. We have
school and the all-girls
section.
school, they kind of didn't
Okay,
really.
section 1. If you belong to the section 1, it
Things
means
differently
you are smart.
to
You are part
enable
of the
people to
students who
grow and
are
learn.
smart. That's
Teacher,
it.
teacher.
Yes.
Wait, please. I will go to the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
Is that there are going to be some 13-year-old boys who are as mature as a 17-year-old and some 17-year-olds who are still 11 years old socially. So, but no fingers pointing anywhere. But
I just raised my hand for those listening.
but it's going to be a better situation if you're trying to account for the sort of general differences that you're going to get from sort of social, physical, emotional growth in learning along the way. But schools are not set up to do that.
One thing, I guess, private school wise that I do remember as being a benefit was that there was never any violence. Like, it was just, I think I saw one fight in 6 years, and those kids were probably expelled
Yes.
because they just effectively had a zero tolerance.
Yeah, exactly.
Although, on the flip side of that, they were massively strict in terms of your uniform that you had to wear, being able to leave the campus at what time. You know, you had to be at class at a certain time. You couldn't have certain hairstyles. You couldn't have any kind of jewelry. You know, so they would just control every single aspect like that, which to some degree makes it easier, I think, because everyone's the same.
Yes.
There's no some rich kid showing up with Gucci and Armani and everything like that, making the rest of the other normal kids look like idiots or feel bad or anything like that. It kind of everyone gets squashed, but at the same time, there's like zero ability to really be yourself at school, at least. Really, like you would walk around at lunchtime and have your shirt untucked, and they'd give you detention.
Yeah,
and you'd just be like, or take your tie off.
Yes.
And you'd have to be. I think you would have to be running if you were doing some kind of sport, like playing soccer at lunchtime. You could have the argument of, oh, I've got my tie off so I can breathe.
Yeah.
But other than that, they would always say, button up your shirt and have your tie right up and pull your socks up and everything. And you just be like,
and look,
Jesus.
I think there's a legitimate reason for having those sort of rules in schools, and I think as a sort of subsection of society with a bunch of teenagers, it's not bad having a set of rules. I do question, however, that the things that they make the rules about, like you have to wear your blazer and your tie to and from school.
Yeah.
Until you get home, you're not allowed to take your blazer off.
It's 40 degrees. It's summer.
Why?
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. Why am I wearing a blazer at all? It's 40 degrees.
Well, that's what Kel made fun of me when she saw it.
It's about school identity.
Yeah, but she was always like, who
it's
the
a
hell wears
marketing
that?
exercise.
Why isn't it some sort of piece of clothing that people actually wear? The only people I know that win that have a blazer are the people who win, golf tournaments.
Yes.
Or say the is it the cricketers, right?
Yes.
Where they end up with these green blazers, and you're kind of like, you never wear this. It's so impractical.
Yeah.
The same with like the high ass socks that you have to wear all the way up to your knees.
I know.
Who wears these? Grandpa wears these. No one else wears
Yes,
these.
and it's funny because they really are a 19th century view of the universe that has been translated into the 21st century. But
and it's almost dress-ups,
most
right?
Most of it's about branding.
Yeah.
It's about you're representing the school, and the challenge is that the branding is reinforcing exactly that thing of send your child here because they'll be forced to wear a uniform and behave themselves, and those two things are not necessarily true.
Yeah.
Like, I can't speak for any other friends of yours, but I don't believe that your non-private school friends were any
rowdier,
worse behaved than your private school friends.
Probably not.
As teenagers.
I think we all went through the same angsty years of misbehaviour.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so that being strict at school does not translate to your normal behaviour. And look, nor should it.
Well, you'd be surprised if it did, right?
I know.
They would really be beating the crap out of you.
Yeah, but if you were a live-in boarder at the school,
well, then you don't have a social life, right?
Exactly.
And that was sort of the other aspect of being at a private school. There was the boarders who were like, ooh, okay, they're paying twice as much as we are to be here, if not more.
Live here.
Yeah, they live in this Harry Potter kind of world. And I was at private school as Harry Potter was coming out.
Yeah.
I think I was a year or two ahead.
You grew up with Harry Potter.
Yeah, and the senior school was so sort of reminiscent of a lot of the Harry Potter scenery with cloisters, and some of these, just the architecture of these buildings and everything, and vines everywhere. And so yeah, I don't know. It was just really funny. And I remember once you finished school, you know, you would walk around in your blazer and think you were so good. You know, you'd be like, yeah, that's right, I'm at Geelong College. But nowadays, I drive around and if I see any of them, I'm just like, you wankers. Like, you're not better than anyone. Shut up.
Yeah, well, you know, so be it.
Yeah, anyway, so would you do it again?
Okay.
As in said, you
Okay.
do private school.
So you're
Yeah,
back.
or
So
this episode.
that's why
Yeah,
this is what I told you that in my country, we have two sectors, the private and the what they call that one, the public schools. If if you cannot afford, you don't have enough money, you will go to public schools. But in your country, public schools is very nice. It's different. Okay. In my country, public school is different from private schools. If you were gonna check
Teacher,
it, yes.
teacher,
Ah.
you teach in public school or private school?
Private schools.
You teach?
Yeah, I teach in private schools.
And how about Julian?
Jillian is studying in private schools since grade 1, plus 1. Okay, these are some of the private schools. Here. This is my school name. Actually, it's different if you were gonna be in the private school. Okay, this one. Yeah, that one, yeah. Look me. Sorry, it's loading. This one. This is my school. Okay, this is the main school. So we have so many schools. So this is the main school. Oh, can you see this one? Wait. Can you see this?
Yeah.
It's just a yellow lemon tree. Turning my head up and down. Turning, 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 turning around. And all that I can see is just another lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday told me about the blue, blue sky. And all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. Turning my head up and down, turning, 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 turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Sing, da, da 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 da, dee da da,
Sandy on the mix. Turn up the bass.
Okay, this is my school.
lemon tree. Sing, da.
Okay, so the public schools in my country is really so many students. Like there are in one class there are 10. There are roughly about 45, 46, 42. But if you enrolled in a public school, okay, this is Jillian's school last year. Last year, this Jillian school, it's actually a big school. Okay, this is the school of Jillian.
Well-equipped institution,
This is the school of
highly
Jillian.
competent educators, exemplary students' performance, an institution with indomitable spirit of giving high-quality instruction and excellent community service. This is Bohol Wisdom School. Inspired by its Filipino-Chinese founders, Bohol Wisdom School provides a transformative education that is geared towards academic excellence and a spirituality that promotes respect, love, integrity, and stewardship. The visibility of its alumni in almost all fields of interest proves its commitment in producing globally competitive graduates.
Hi, I'm attorney Charles Cesar L. Edulen CPA. I'm an alumnus of this school, Bohol Wisdom School. I was never given the opportunity to choose which school to enroll, having started my formal education at the age of 5. But nevertheless, I never regretted my parents' decision to enroll me in
has prepared me for life.
Okay, this is the private school in Bohol. In my country, private schools is like this.
Teacher. Wait me, please.
Okay.
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 Because of its dedication in giving quality service, Bohol Wisdom School gains full support and trust from the parents.
Bohol Wisdom School is not only a school for my children, they also consider it as their second home. I myself feel at home with Bohol Wisdom School because I am also a product of the school. Ever since then, I had strong ties with the school. I know almost everybody from the Board of Trustees to its administration, faculty, and even the maintenance staff. As a parent, I always want to give what's best to my children, and I believe that Bohol Wisdom School is the best school for them.
For me, Bohol Wisdom School is one of the best schools we have. Bohol Wisdom School does not only provide the most relevant and meaningful activities and experience to our children.
With its students' local, national, and international achievements and recognitions, values and character formation activities, community services, undeniably,
Okay, this
Bohol
is,
Wisdom
look
School
at the public
produces
school in Bohol.
builders of minds,
This is what private school,
witnesses
this
to
public school.
Christ, servants of the community.
With the industrial and technological transformation, more countries have reached the height of development. We can only compete with these countries only if we have determined, brilliant, and well-equipped Filipinos who can pull us.
Look at ha, buoy. Okay, this is the public school in Bohol. This private school. This is private school. Okay. So like this. This is some of the sample of public school in Bohol. Kamambugan National High School.
Pimples? What's erupting outside may be caused by bacteria inside the skin. Try Lactazid with lactoferrin, zinc, and vitamin E. Helps lessen pimples by up to 94%.
For clearer, smoother skin.
With Lactazid, the pimple expert.
Okay, this one. Look at sample. This is a sample of school. Okay, this is
former school, guys.
this is school.
May kung ano po, coral or ano ba yun, pader. GC
Okay, this
Boyles.
week, like
Wow,
this.
grabe,
Some
bes.
of the public school in
Sino pa
Bohol,
dito? Si Maximo Dilao, si Kapitan.
like this.
Sino pa? Sarah Mendez. Ang mga old nga room,
Look at
guys.
that
Kanang
one.
red
It's
roof nga
big.
karaan nga first floor.
Yeah.
Mura na yung room sa
I
una,
like
this
it.
one, and the last red roof.
It's
But
really
now, look at
different.
namin dito yun sa
Look at
Makampay
the
maliliit.
place
So
is
each
so
in
big,
namin yan doon,
but
no?
it doesn't
Ala
have a
ka,
lot
throwback
of buildings.
Saturday. Throwback.
If you teach in a private school, you have to speak English. But if you teach in public school, you have to teach the vernacular. Like you will teach in vernacular. You will teach example as we're talking Bulanon, we're talking Filipino, so we're gonna talk Bulanon. But if you are in the private school, you have to talk English all the time. So that's the difference. Yeah, it's different. In my school, students are not allowed to speak vernacular. We have to speak English all the time. That's exactly the difference. Okay, so yeah. So, but of course, when you enroll in the public school, no tuition fee. You don't need to fee tuition, but you don't need to pay tuition fee. But if you will be in a private school, you have to pay tuition. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, so so for now, Teacher Ann will say goodbye. Okay. Okay, I will say goodbye, and then yeah. So I will see you tomorrow. Okay, please tell me what time you will be with me tomorrow. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, Michelle.